Welcome to On the Table. I'm Meredith Abbott, Culinary Director for Sur La Table, and today I'll be showing you how to make homemade frites. This double fry method yields crispy golden fries with fluffy interiors. First, start by cutting all of your potatoes into a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch by 3 inch long matchsticks, doing the best you can to get these to be a uniform size. I like to leave the skin on the potatoes, but feel free to peel if you prefer. Soak all of the potatoes in cool water for 30 minutes. While your potatoes are soaking, preheat about 2 quarts of vegetable oil in a large, deep Dutch oven or tabletop fryer to 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Drain the potatoes and dry well with paper towels. You want these potatoes to be absolutely dry before you fry them. Working in batches, fry the potatoes until they are tender but not browned. This takes about 5 minutes. This process is called blanching. Adjust the heat under your Dutch oven as needed to maintain an oil temperature of 330 degrees. Once the potatoes are tender, transfer to a wire rack lined baking sheet using a slotted spoon or a spider. Repeat this process until all of your potatoes have been fried. Increase the heat to bring the oil temperature up to 375 degrees. And again, working in batches to fry the potatoes until golden brown and crispy. Transfer the now frites to the wire rack and sprinkle with salt. Serve with your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy!